Good morning. It is 25th of October, the day after Diwali, and I'm excited because I'm going to have Darjeeling first flush tea. Let me show you. I've been gifted this by a cousin from Kolkatta, and I'm so excited. Let's make some tea. So I was inspired to make this video by Sevda, who I watch. She's having coffee, and I thought, today I've got this lovely, exciting tea. Let's have a look. Oh my, look at how it comes in this special. Ooh, how pretty. I've never had one of these before. I'm so excited. Oh, after all that, got this. Let me cut it. Hope you're all having a good day today. I am so excited. Let's have a look at how this tea is. Let me show you. This is what it looks like. Darjeeling first flush tea. Ooh, gold dust it is. Let's have 1, 2 and a quarter. And then we're going to pour hot water in. And then I'm going to let it brew for 5 minutes. And pour it out and share with you. Store it back in the container. Hope you're having a good day. Thank you. And here it is. Been 4 minutes. Let's have some tea. No milk goes into Darjeeling first flush. It's far too good to spoil with milk. I'm excited. Hot. Perfect. Enjoy. Bye for now. Have a great day.